Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Crypto.com card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your Crypto.com card. Locate your card and make sure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV code ready. You will also need access to your Crypto.com account. Step 2. Open the Crypto.com app. Launch the app on your smartphone and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to activate your card. Step 3. Navigate to Card Activation. In the app, tap the Card tab, select your Crypto.com card, and then choose Activate Card. Step 4. Enter card details. Enter the requested information, including your card number, CVV code, and expiration date. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the activation process. Step 5. Confirmation. Once your Crypto.com card is successfully activated, you will receive a confirmation message in the app. Your card is now ready for online purchases, in-store payments, and ATM withdrawals. Step 6. Start using your card. You can now use your Crypto.com card wherever Visa or MasterCard is accepted, depending on your card type. Remember to monitor your Crypto.com account for balance updates and transactions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.